Hey everyone, and welcome to my very first YouTube video. So if this feels awkward, you're absolutely right. But stick with me. Today, we're jumping into a classic artificial intelligence challenge, the Wumpus World. I built a logic-based agent in Python, and we're about to find out if it's smart enough to grab treasure, dodge deadly pits, survive a horrifying monster, and maybe even show the Wumpus who's boss. If you like nerdy projects, coding chaos, and questionable AI decisions, go ahead and hit subscribe and tap the notification bell. Future me will thank you. Before we launch into the chaos, let me give you a super quick peek at the brain behind the madness, the code. Here's what powers the agent: a few Python libraries, some custom classes, and probably too many if statements. And yep, these are the images I used, because no AI journey is complete without dramatic clip art. All right, enough talk. Let's run the program and see if our agent EV can escape with the treasure, or just die trying. Starting the script now. And there it is, the Wumpus world conquered, or not. Evie faced danger, made choices, and battled the unknown, all powered by pure logic and Python. If that blew your mind even a little, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join me on this wild journey through code, chaos, and creativity. This was just the first chapter. The next one, even bigger, even smarter, maybe even dumber. Thanks for watching, and remember, in the world of AI, survival is just one if statement away.